The integration of advanced radar technology begins at the molecular level, culminating in unmatched aerial power.
The automated guided vehicles transport the highly sensitive gallium arsenide wafers into the pressurized airlock, essential for the Super Hornet's radar systems. The highly polished surfaces are now ready for the main fabrication line, destined for the AN/APG. Individual 12-inch diameter mirror-smooth silicon, and gallium arsenide wafers are seamlessly transferred.
Exposure parameters confirmed on grid 7.
Acknowledged. Initiating sequence.
The alignment on the AN/APG-79 module is holding steady at 99.8%.
Confirmed. Process A is clear for the next batch.
A chemical bath reveals the high-frequency microwave circuit geometry for the AN/APG-79 AESA radar.
Process A, manufacturing. The automated wire bonding machine creates microscopic loops of gold wire, essential for high-speed signal transmission and confirming zero defects.
As you can see, the reflow is stable. The gallium arsenide is perfectly aligned.
Check the thermal readout on rack 7.
Minor fluctuation, but well within tolerance. The burn-in is successful. The measurement confirms ultra-low phase noise, critical for the radar's effectiveness. The module is designated flight ready.
The yield data is confirmed. 0 failures across the batch.
Consistent quality achieved with the new wafers.
Flow rate and viscosity are within tolerance.
Excellent. The coating is uniform.
Sealant application complete. Check the timer.
15 minutes remaining until cure.
The APG-79 modules are fully certified.
Confirmed. Process A is complete.
Process A is complete. We have clearance for transfer. Please verify the manifest on arrival.
This marks the official beginning of Process B. In this vast hangar, we focus on the physical construction of the Super Hornet, utilizing advanced robotic automation.
Pressure stabilizing. We are clear for initiation.
Acknowledged. Beginning the heat ramp sequence.
Alignment is spot on, micron accurate. Engage clamps.
Clamps engaging. Pressure holding steady.
Check the diagram for the APG-79 connection point.
Got it. Route it behind bulkhead 7.
Steady now, easy on the descent.
We are aligned, confirming the pins are seated and locked.
Monitor the torque sensors during the final sequence.
Reading stable. Structural integrity confirmed. We have alignment on the starboard stabilizer.
Torque sequence complete. Readings are stable.
Connector alignment looks good on the probe.
Confirmed. Thermal contact surface is spotless.
Hinge mechanism on the starboard side. Clear.
Confirmed. Radar coding looks good here.
Check and verify the main landing gear sequence.
Status check on the APG-79. Telemetry looks solid.
Confirmed. All systems showing green. Ready for engine start. Landing gear pins removed.
Confirmed.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady.
The Super Hornet, in its standard navy gray finish, accelerates with immense thrust, demonstrating the successful integration.
APG-79 levels are spiking post-flight.
Run the diagnostic again, verify the input voltage to the array.
The specialized sensor verifies the integrity of the radome seal, ensuring the sensitive gallium arsenide and silicon components remain protected.
A symbol of continuous readiness, the Super Hornet patrols the coastline, showcasing the pinnacle of modern aviation technology.
From microscopic silicon and gallium arsenide wafers to the world-class multi-role fighter.